Hello students, welcome everyone. Welcome to your favorite channel Vedantu NCERT Solution, where you will get the detailed solution of each and every NCERT questions. And in this session, we are going to learn how to solve question number 6 of your exercise 1.2, and let us see how easily we can solve this. Let us try to read the question first, children. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3. There are 3 elements in set A. B is 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 4 elements in set B. And F is a relation from A to B that they have clearly given. So F is a relation from set A to set B. Okay. F is a function here, and we have to prove that function is 1, 1. Observe this, children. F of 1 gives you 4. F of 2 gives you 5. And F of 3 gives you 6. So for each element in the domain, if you're trying to map this, just observe here, for each element in the domain, there is unique element in the codomain, right, children? And every element of your domain is mapped, if you notice. Yes, so for each element of the domain, there is an unique element in the codomain which is mapped, correct? And all the elements in the domain are mapped to all the elements in the codomain. Yes or no, children? All the elements, or I can say every element in the domain is mapped to distinct element in the codomain. Yes or no? You can see we have the elements 1, 2 and 3 in the domain, and we have elements 4, 5, 6 and 7. So every element in the domain is mapped to at least one element in the codomain, or I can say every one element is mapped and there is no element which is left unmapped in the domain. And when we are talking about 1, 1, we are bothered only about the domain, correct, children? So I can write f of x is a 1, 1 function. F of x is a 1, 1 function. Why? Because every element in A has a distinct image in the codomain, has a distinct image in B. So this is the reason this is a 1, 1 function. Easy and simple question, children. I hope all of you have understood. Like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends so that all of you can solve these questions easily, quickly, and this will help you to score more in your examination. Thank you, children.